Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're diving into something absolutely mind-blowing. We are going to uncover the secrets of the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient artifact that completely shattered our accepted understanding of human history. We're talking about a discovery so profound it literally forced modern scientists to reevaluate what ancient civilizations were truly capable of.
Imagine this for a second. Hauling a shapeless, barnacle-encrusted lump out of the Mediterranean Sea, only to eventually realize it's a fully functioning 2,000-year-old calculating machine. I mean, it sounds like pure science fiction, doesn't it? But as we're going to see today, it is very, very real, and honestly, it took modern scientists over a century to fully wrap their heads around what they were even looking at.
Section 1. An unlikely discovery. So the story kicks off back in 1901. Sponge divers working off a tiny Greek island stumbled upon a Roman-era shipwreck just sitting quietly on the seafloor. Now, alongside beautiful statues and ancient jewelry, they hauled up what basically looked like literal garbage, just this shapeless lump of corroded bronze and wood, about the size of a large book. It sat completely ignored in a museum drawer in Athens for months until it naturally cracked open.
Well, what was inside sent absolute shockwaves through the scientific community. Hidden within all that centuries-old gunk were gears, at least 30 hand-cut bronze gears interlocking with this mind-boggling complexity.
And to give you a sense of the microscopic precision we're talking about here, some of these intricate gears featured teeth that were just 1.6 millimeters wide. That is roughly the thickness of a modern credit card. The delicate craftsmanship is simply astonishing.
Section 2. The Timeline Breaker. That tiny 1.6 millimeter measurement, it completely shattered our historical timeline. Historians know the mechanism was built around 150 to 100 BCE, but gear technology of this incredible precision wouldn't be seen again until European clockwork popped up in the 14th century. We are looking at a massive technological dark age, a gap of over 1,000 years before anything even remotely comparable shows up again.
Section 3. The first analog computer.
So you've got to wonder, why did someone in ancient Greece need microscopic bronze gears? Well, because they were building the world's oldest known analog computer. It wasn't just measuring time like a simple clock. It was actively calculating and mathematically predicting future astronomical events. Picture this. By simply turning a hand crank on the side, those interlocking gears, all rotating at different speeds, would drive pointers across dials. The user could predict solar and lunar eclipses years in advance, track moon phases, map the positions of the sun and the 5 known planets, and even, amazingly, calculate the precise dates for the ancient Olympic Games. But honestly, the most mind-blowing feature is this. It modeled the moon's elliptical orbit so precisely that it actually accounted for the fact that the moon speeds up and slows down as it moves through the sky. That is a level of intricate astronomical understanding that historians literally did not think existed back then.
Section 4. Decoding the secrets.
Now, since the device only survived in 82 heavily corroded broken fragments, it stayed a profound mystery for decades. It wasn't until the 2000s that modern researchers could figuratively crack it open using non-destructive tech. They used X-ray computed tomography, CT scanning, to look safely inside the corrosion at the buried gear teeth, and they used reflectance imaging to read incredibly faint, worn inscriptions right on the surface. By using these imaging techniques, scientists actually managed to recover over 3,000 characters of tiny ancient Greek text inscribed directly onto the mechanism. They essentially found the device's hidden instruction manual. Though, let's be real, it was probably a lot more complex to read than the one that comes with your modern living room furniture. So by combining that hidden text with the mathematical gear ratios found in the scans, scientists proved it tracked highly complex cycles. This includes the 19-year Metonic cycle, which elegantly matches lunar months to the solar year, and the Saros cycle, a really specific 223-month rhythm used to predict eclipses.
Section 5. A lost ancient world. But here is the craziest part. Despite brilliantly cracking its mathematical code, we have absolutely no idea who built it. There's no signature on the device, no surviving workshop name, and incredibly, no comparable device has ever been found anywhere in the ancient world. It is a complete anomaly. Of course, there are theories. Some researchers speculate there's a connection to the island of Rhodes, which was a known center of astronomy at the time. Others suggest a link to the famous astronomer Hipparchus, since he first mathematically modeled the moon's irregular orbit. But remember, these are just educated guesses to try and explain the unexplainable. We still lack solid, undeniable proof.
Which leaves us with this really haunting question to wrap up our explainer today. Someone around 100 BCE built a machine 1,000 years ahead of its time. Who were they? And why was this profound technological mastery completely lost to history? It really makes you wonder, what else might be waiting for us, hidden beneath the waves?